I just wanna chill. Bartender, hurry up with the order.
I'm feeling sexual.
Fine, pull up. I just wanna chill. When I'm with my homies. Bartender, hurry up with the order.
I'm feeling sexual. So we should be sexual.
Six, 5, 1.
And it's making me think about you, but sometimes I need that space for myself. Cause you seem angry, thinking wrong about me. When I'm with my homies, we just sip and conversating. Girl, stop complaining, you know I'm about to lose my mind.
I just wanna chill. I just wanna chill with my homies, girl. Can you chill? Oh yeah. I'm blowing up my phone and just keep it real. I just wanna chill.
Flashing light, so I give it a swipe. Open up to see you complaining about me being gone for the last 2 nights. I ain't picking up your calls no more. Just gonna let you feel paranoid. Said it is what it is, I'm sorry. I've been through my life for even blowing up my phone. Maybe then I come back home, but for now I'm sipping. You're overthinking, better stop tripping over nothing.
It's the older me. Drove from the west side to the south side.